So Toontrack just released a new expansion to their Superior Drummer plugin, and it's called Legacy of Rock. It's something they did in conjunction with Eddie Kramer, and it's based on famous sessions he did with classic rock bands, not the least of which includes Led freaking Zepplin. Man, I wished I had this plugin when I did the Top 5 Habits of Jimmy Page. Shameless plug there. Anyway, I downloaded the plugin, wanted to check it out and write some music to it. I was excited about messing with these sounds, and that's what this video is all about. I'm just doing like a quick minute and a half song to show off the capabilities and the sound of this particular plugin. But first, welcome to Music with Marky. So I should mention here, I am not in any way endorsed by Toontrack. They didn't send me this product for free or anything like that. I just love their products. I use the heck out of them. If you follow this channel at all, you see that I use Easy Drummer constantly. I use the Easy Keys and Easy Bass product fairly frequently. I generally play bass parts. I don't play keyboard well, so I use that a little more than the bass product, but it's good for putting together quick demos for me when I just want to get something out like on this channel. Now, if Toontrack wanted to endorse me, I would certainly welcome that. But all that said, let's just roll the music so you can hear what it sounds like. So that's what it sounds like. I built that kit off of one of the presets they had, but I wanted to add back in the gong and the timpanis, and I changed out the snare. There's a ton of stuff here. I can do a full demo review on this, but a lot of people are already covering that, so I just kind of wanted to give you something like in context, and I wanted to mess with it and have some fun playing guitar over some old Zepplin type sounds. And in case you're wondering about the equipment, the intro guitar is this Schecter with a Sustaniac pickup on it. I do have a review of this guitar. The other guitar I used was my PRS 513. It's the 25th anniversary edition. And all the guitar sounds and the bass sound are Kemper presets, which I'll list below here in case you're interested and you've got a Kemper, want to mess around with those sounds. So anyway, I hope you liked the sound of it and you were interested in just checking out a little minute and a half sample of what that plugin can do. There's much more to it. You might want to check it out and check out Toontrack products in general. They are great tools for someone like me who's at home doing most of the writing and recording by themselves. And until next time, guys, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.